Hello guys and welcome back on my channel. As you can see, this is my new project. This is a 2020 Ducati Panigale V4. As you can see, someone do some mods on this motorcycle, but honestly I don't like those modifications because this motorcycle was red. As you can see here is red. Someone painted this motorcycle on white. I think someone put the rear seat, because I didn't know that you can order the V4 with the rear seat. Here's a lot of mods: carbon wings, steering bar, handlebars, steering bars. The levers are changed also. Someone add covers. I don't know what kind of repair was here, because here is a black silicone, so I don't know. Someone was doing something with the engine, I don't know. I didn't start the motorcycle yet because I am charging the battery. As you can see, this front bracket is changed. Someone changed it for racing bracket. Here's carbon covers. Here's someone add some carbon. Basically, the shape of the motorcycle is okay, but honestly I don't like the white color because the paint job is it's awful. So I need to decide that I want to change the color. You know, original bike is original bike in my country. Nobody will pay for the mods, but cool stuff that the motorcycle have full Akrapovic exhaust. This is the original one, so it add 6% of torque and 6% of power, so 215 horsepower. And with this exhaust you don't have to change computers and anything, and you will receive 15 horsepower more, so it should have 230 horsepower, so that's fine for me. So now I will start this assembly process, because as you can see, some firings are broken. Here is a crack, here is a crack, here is, you know, this is black, should be white or red. So I need to disassemble the entire motorcycle. I will paint it. I think I will restore the motorcycle to its original shape, leaving of course those mods, those handlebars, those levers, and I think it will be a very nice bike. Look, someone put such a fat stickers, but look how it looks like. It looks terrible. And those stickers are under the clear, and here is a lot of trash. You see? Here is a trash. Look here, for example. Here there are some problems because I cannot open this seat. The latch is stuck, but I have to deal with it. As you can see, guys, the work is going super fast because everything was put together on 4 screws. Yeehaw! Go to auction. So guys, I was wondering why the lock doesn't work. You see now? Here is the wire, and the wire isn't connected to the opening mechanism. Why? I am asking why. Hey guys, is this Apple spying device? So guys, I'm ready to take the fuel tank from the frame. I unplug everything. Ducati is very simple. One plug to fuel pump and one fuel line. So now I will take the fuel tank out. Okay, so now I will take the fender off because fender need to be painted also. Here's some small cracks, and this is for sure the aftermarket one. I have the feelings that though this fender is the Chinese one. Quality. Here's the lines. Okay guys, so I have to disconnect the lines and I will take the fender out. I was able to unscrew the front brake hose, and now the front fender is ready to install. And like I predicted, this is a copy. You can feel it. You can, if you are watching on it, you will see this is a copy. But a little bit time, paint, and nobody will notice the difference. Okay guys, so job is done on today's episode. Like you see on this picture, those parts for further repair are unscrewed, as you can see. All the firings, fuel tank, fender, and now I will start the sanding process. Sorry guys, I will be not recording this because I have a lot of movies on my channel doing such a job. The next episode will be from the spray booth. I will paint the firings and I will assemble the entire motorcycle back to full glory. So guys, this will be it in today's episode. Thank you for watching and see you all to the next time. Watch my next video of repairing this Ducati, and I hope you like that kind of movie. Bye!